Today, we're diving into the exciting world of instant photography with our top 5 picks for the best instant cameras of 2024. Whether you're capturing memories on the go or just love the nostalgia of instant prints, these cameras are sure to impress. Let's get started. Number 5. Leica Sofort 2. Kicking off our list is the Leica Sofort 2, a fusion of instant photography and digital precision. This camera features a 4.9 megapixel sensor and a 2.7-inch display, letting you capture and print photos seamlessly. It even connects to your smartphone, so you can print photos from your gallery or save new memories digitally. If you're all about aesthetics, the Sofort 2 delivers with its iconic Leica design and vibrant print quality. While it's on the higher end price-wise, its hybrid features make it a standout choice for photography enthusiasts. Number 4. Polaroid Go. Next, we have the Polaroid Go, the world's smallest instant camera. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little powerhouse delivers bold, colorful prints on the go. It features a self-timer, double exposure mode, and rechargeable battery, making it a fun and portable companion. Perfect for capturing spontaneous moments, the Polaroid Go is a great choice for those who value portability and charm. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option for instant photography lovers. Number 3. Kodak Mini Shot 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Kodak Mini Shot 3, a modern take on instant photography with added functionality. This camera doubles as a photo printer, so you can snap pics or print them directly from your smartphone. It uses 3x3-inch prints with bold, vibrant colors. Thanks to its dye sublimation technology, the Kodak Mini Shot 3 offers value for anyone who loves a mix of digital convenience and retro vibes. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. At number 2, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12, the latest in the Instax Mini lineup. Known for its ease of use and affordability, the Mini 12 features automatic exposure and a simple twist lens for close-ups. Its vibrant prints are wallet-sized, making them perfect for sharing or scrapbooking. If you're new to instant photography, this is an excellent starting point that balances quality and simplicity. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. And at the top of our list is the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. This hybrid instant camera takes instant photography to the next level with digital versatility. Featuring 10 lens effects and 10 film filters, the Mini Evo offers 100 creative shooting combinations. Its 4.9 megapixel sensor ensures crisp digital photos, while the Instax prints capture that nostalgic charm. Add Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone printing, and you've got the ultimate all-in-one device for instant photography enthusiasts. Stylish, functional, and innovative, the Mini Evo is a true winner. There you have it, the top 5 instant cameras of 2024. Whether you're drawn to portability, hybrid features, or creative control, there's an option here for everyone. Ready to capture life's moments instantly? Check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.